Hello everyone. I would like to share my experience working with Sudha Raj as my life coach. I first came to know Sudha through the Guidance Hub voluntary life coaching workshop about 5 months ago, and her profile, especially her specialization in financial coaching, immediately caught my attention and encouraged me to reach out. Over the last 3 months nearly, the coaching has gone far beyond I initially expected. And while some of the learnings are very personal that I can't express everything here, I can confidently say that Sudha guidance helped me approach a sensitive family responsibility with more strategy, clarity and thoughtfulness. And I have already started seeing positive results. At the same time, the coaching supported my own personal growth, helped me to break down my overwhelming to-do list into manageable priorities, and discover interest and motivation in everyday tasks. And what I truly appreciate about Sudha is her patience and a calm approach. She never forces solutions and instead helps brings answers from within in a very practical and realistic way. Though our financial coaching journey is yet to begin, I am confident it will be equally impactful. Thank you, Sudha, and thank you, Gardener's Hub, for introducing me to such a wonderful life coach. Thank you.